So in terms of creative production, things that you can do to make ugly ads or make ads uglier, in terms of UGC, think about your talent. You can use different types of talent to target different actual audiences in terms of your relevance. So think about age, think about gender, think about what their accent sounds like, what they look like. All of these things can really matter in terms of like what gets someone to pay attention and what's relevant to them. And you can, yes, also try prettier talent, and you can try more interesting or uglier looking talent. A lot of the ads I've like featured in this deck feature me. I've made ads that have performed well. I have an interesting beard or something. I don't know, but be thoughtful about that. Don't just go after the most conventionally attractive person or thing that you can find. Lighting matters. If you're using studio lighting, you're using ring light, you're using natural light, you're reflecting light, bouncing light, the angle of the light, all these are different variables and they're hard to perfect. I'm not saying you should perfect lighting. In fact, I'm saying try and find ways that people use awkward lighting. You'll often find TikTokers that create content where the camera is pretty low and you can see the ceiling lights, which is an interesting thing, which is a professional wouldn't really want to do that.